Welcome to the best picks. The best black chalkboard is probably one of the most versatile tools you can have, whether you're a student, a teacher, or just someone who loves to doodle. Today, we're diving deep into the world of black chalkboards, exploring their features, and helping you decide if this is the perfect addition to your creative arsenal. Get ready to discover the best black chalkboard on the market. Number 5. Brand's 18x24 Light Birch Wood Chalkboard. This chalkboard is perfect for sharing ideas and inspiration. It adds a contemporary touch to any office, classroom, or home. The bold, black chalkboard has a classic birch wood frame. The premium surface is durable and resists staining, adding style and functionality to any space. This board ensures a clean surface even after repeated use. It works well with all liquid chalk markers and provides a picture-perfect presentation. Hang this board effortlessly with the included hardware. It mounts both vertically and horizontally, saving you time on installation. We are a company of designers and innovators. We are passionate about providing well-designed products to help you feel inspired. What we like? This chalkboard offers a premium surface that's easy to erase and resist staining, ensuring a pristine presentation every time. If you are looking for a stylish and functional addition to your office or home, this is perfect for you. It's designed to inspire and elevate your space. What people say. Converted these to pin boards by covering with velvet material. Weight and quality was substantial compared to other boards, and it came with all you need to hang. Beautiful product, kind of hard to mount on the wall only because it's hard to align it with the nails, and then to hook it up on the nails cause sometimes challenging, but not impossible. I want to do it will stay on very nice and sturdy board, good quality, hold a lot of stuff. Este passaron esta muy bien elaborado y ayuda a los peques a realizar operaciones matemáticas, de bujos, a mejorar su escritura, de una manera más didáctica, menos tablets o smartphones y más herramientas pedagógicas para los peques, para que aprendan bien. Number 4. Kassa X Large Chalkboard Wallpaper. This chalkboard wallpaper is easy to apply. It peels off and sticks onto walls, tables, or desks. It's ideal for use at home, school, or the office. A user guide is available to help with installation. Please read through each step carefully and follow the instructions to ensure a smooth application. The wallpaper comes in a 1.4-foot x 8-foot adhesive roll. This provides plenty of space for your creative ideas. It also includes 5 colorful chalks. This dry erase sticker is removable and reusable. It's made from water-resistant and durable material, so it can withstand everyday use. The wallpaper comes in attractive gift packaging. You can customize it to any shape or size by cutting it with scissors. It's a versatile gift that adds a personalized touch to any space. What we like? This chalkboard wallpaper is peel and stick, making it easy to apply to any surface. It's also customizable, allowing you to cut it to any shape or size. If you have limited space or want a flexible solution for your creative needs, you should consider this. It's a versatile and convenient option for any home, school, or office. What people say. The chalkboard is exactly what I was looking for. It is the perfect size and looks great. I love the way it looks in my kitchen. Number 3. Kedudes 24 pk Dustless Chalk with Eraser. This dust-free chalk is perfect for classrooms and cafes. It's non-toxic and dustless, so it provides clear writing that grabs attention without the mess. This dustless chalkboard chalk eliminates dust, providing a clean experience when teaching or drawing. You can enjoy sneeze-free learning with this practical chalk. Add fun with colorful chalk in 12 shades like red, yellow, and blue. This set is perfect for chalkboards, drawing, and sidewalk use. This set with a Blackboard chalk eraser is great for homeschooling or classroom use. It helps engage kids and keep them focused. You get 24 pieces of chalk, 12 white, 12 colored, and a felt eraser with a wooden handle. Each chalk stick is 3.25 inch long and easily erasable for smooth writing. What we like? This set includes dust-free chalk in various vibrant colors, perfect for clear and mess-free writing. If you like to keep things clean and organized, this is a great choice. It's ideal for classrooms, cafes, or anyone who wants a clean and engaging writing experience. What people say. An old-school aesthetic but with great color and super smooth writing. It's chalk and it works well with blackboards or similar surfaces. Good quality chalk. Number 2. Loddie Doddie 24 by 36 inches rustic chalkboard and magnet board. Unleash your creativity with this stain-resistant magnetic chalkboard. It's perfect for capturing all your holiday crafts and art ideas. This board cleans up perfectly, making it ideal for festive chalk art in your office or home. Show off your holiday photos, grocery lists, or meal plans with this rustic framed magnetic board. It's the perfect place for hanging souvenir magnets and seasonal notes. This board helps you stay organized and adds a touch of charm. Mount this black chalkboard for walls vertically or horizontally with the included hardware. It's perfect for displaying holiday messages, as a menu board for restaurants, or even as a chalkboard calendar for organizing your plans. This makes it easy to customize your space. Add charm to your kitchen decor with this large chalkboard for wall. The rustic design blends seamlessly with any style. It's a lovely addition to your winter holiday decor and a stylish magnetic hanging blackboard for wall use. Surprise your friends and family with this magnet chalkboard for wall. This large chalkboard makes a fantastic holiday gift, adding a unique touch to any home decor. It's perfect for birthdays or any festive occasion. What we like. This chalkboard features a magnetic surface, allowing you to display photos and notes. If you are looking for a stylish and functional way to organize your space, this is the one. It's perfect for adding a rustic touch to your kitchen or office while keeping everything in order. What people say. The size is perfect for my smaller magnets and I love the wood quality. The wood is nice and solid, the surface is smooth and it's easy to write on. Really shines with chalk markers. It's easy to erase as often as you want. The fact that it's magnetic means you can attach other media to it as well. It cleans easily and completely. It looks very nice with everything in the kitchen. Number 1. Fridge Chalkboard, 17.5 x 13.5 Magnetic Blackboard. This magnetic blackboard makes life easier. It's perfect for to-do lists, groceries, and reminders. It helps keep everyone organized and happy. The special film lamination ensures easy erasing without stains. The board's design prevents peeling and bubbles, keeping it looking new. Kids love using this blackboard for drawing and learning. It's a great way for them to practice and learn organization skills from a young age. The set includes 8 liquid neon chalk markers. It arrives in a protective package, ready to use right away. It offers more markers than others for vibrant notes and designs. Make sure your fridge is magnetic and measure the space. The board can be cut to fit various fridge types. This ensures it will fit perfectly. What we like. This magnetic chalkboard is designed to attach to your refrigerator, making it easily accessible for to-do lists and reminders. If you have a busy lifestyle and need a convenient way to stay organized, it is the perfect choice. It's a practical and user-friendly solution for any kitchen. What people say. They're cute little magnetic boards that stick on the fridge. Having the days of the week listed out let me write a note on each day as needed. And the second little one, I use a second refrigerator elsewhere. Cute little chalk pens with magnet caps stay pretty well on the fridge. I absolutely love this magnetic dry erase board. The colors are vibrant and you have numerous options. It is easy to remove the marker with a damp paper towel. The board and pen stick on the fridge great and never fall off even with the door opening and shutting. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.